What's going on, YouTube? If I sound exhausted, I'm freaking gonna show you why. Either that, I'm just out of shape and I've ate too much. I did eat a Whataburger just now. Maybe I'm just fat. But either way, I'm gonna show you why I'm exhausted. Okay, so what I got here is the new portable dive lung. And the company Dive made it. So basically, I'm able to use that to refill this. And I'm still in the work of trying to get it out because I don't exactly know how to do this PSI thing. But I got air in there. I'm just gonna try it out.
You see the snake? Snake's body? There's a water moccasin.
How do you get up?
Huh?
How do you get up?
How do I get up? I need to move the boat.
Devin, you would like to go in the creek?
Yeah, I changed my mind after you said water moccasin.
Yeah, but they're not gonna be here because the snake's in the water. It's gonna go like that.
No.
No, they're not.
Yeah, no, the snake won't come near.
Yeah, nope, ain't going down there.
Scientific is never right.
I'm not coming around because snake. Just tail. Stinks.
Oh, dude, that freaking stinks.
I know.
Why are y'all keeping it in there?
For like to bring the catfish near.
Is it working?
Yeah, the ton of catfish.
Bro, I get bit by a snake, I'm gonna be mad. Oh god. Ooh.
You might find a phone too. You might find a phone.
Why?
My brother dropped his phone.
For real?
Yeah.
You gotta be careful, no snakes will get me. Here. River treasure! Oh! There.
Dude, this is getting hot.
Yeah, let me try. I'm gonna go down real quick.
I did that.
You ready?
Yeah.
Give me the notch. Oh. Bro, you mean to tell me it wasn't recording? No, it is. Now it is. No. Almost drowned. Okay, look guys. I pulled up a tire. I pulled up that one. Pulled up that tire. And I pulled up that hinge ladder. Okay guys.
The bug's out. What is that?
I just pulled this up.
Yeah, we found that bug again.
From the bottom. That's a weird bug. Dude,
That's a fish.
I am exhausted.
It's a problem. Alright, see you later.
I have to say, don't throw it back. I'm gonna cry if it didn't get recorded. Okay guys, I don't know if it was recording or not, but I found a freaking ladder. Almost drowned trying to get it up. Think I'm gonna use my little tank this time. Oh yeah guys, I found this at the bottom when I pulled up that one of these tires.
Hey, look at me. I'm a helper. I was the one who opened it. You don't know how to open it.
That's huge.
I'm gonna stop you guys.
And I pulled up that, I pulled up that, I pulled up that. Ooh, got another one.
Wait, what's it? See?
Another clam.
This one's opened.
Yeah.
Alright.
What's this?
Dude, that's a swivel. It's a fishing swivel. Hey, we found a fishing swivel.
Oh! Please tell me it's recording.
It is, it is.
Hey, throw them up to me. Throw them up.
Glasses, baby! Oh.
Max, just the little piece. The little piece.
Oh, how do you get up?
You're cool. Lefty.
What the heck is this?
What's that PVC pipe?
Rest in peace. What is that?
This is not mine.
I refound it for you. On another show.
Yeah.
Oh, look at all these shells, dude.
Max, hey, I grabbed this with my feet.
Find of the day. We found a ladder, cans.
Oh, those are seeds.
We found multiple of these.
We found a sea clam fossil.
Don't look at me. Here, put them right here. We found multiple of these.
They want me to put my pumpkin.
We found 2 tires, the metal thing, and glasses. But my kids re-dropped in the water and I can't seem to find it right now.
Yes, they're right there.
They're right there somewhere.
There.
Yeah, but dude, there's so much branches there. I was getting hit by everything.
I know.
Let the water cool down and I'll go back out and get in a little bit.
Yeah, I will too.
This is by far one of the best finds we've ever had. Now back to the portable dive lung. Okay, I have it sitting right there. We had to air it up. Now you have to use this air bump to pump air into it. Now what I noticed is I can get a couple of breaths down with this, but man, it is so worth it. I can go under and look and come back up. Yeah.